I'm Froggy.
And I'm Little Froggy.
And we are at Toy Fair 2018 getting ready to look at what's new from Moose.
Season 10 Shopkins is mini packs. They brought back many of our classic favorites with new packaging.
There is a collector's edition Shopkins in every mini pack. You've got to look at the packaging. It all looks like food. They have takeout boxes, jelly jars, and look at this little box of cereal. It is all packaged so that you can build the most realistic looking small Mart.
There are over 80 Shopkins to collect.
Every song has an ending, every love is the same. Maybe we'll call us forever, wishing that this never ends. It's like a dream. It's like a dream when we both get together and feel. Yeah, my life is...
Staying true to blind packs, what's on the outside doesn't necessarily match what's on the inside. I love this bread, but inside here, we might find shoes.
They've redesigned the small Mart to fit the bigger packaging. So you don't want to throw the packaging away. It's all a part of the collection.
I've got some Shopville money. We need to go shopping. I need some Happy Heels.
Or maybe some squeezed juice.
And now it's time to check out with Jessica Cake. Here you go. That'll be $2, please. Oh, there you go, Jessica Cake. Pay the nice lady. Thank you. See you next time. In August, they are launching Shopkins Tiny Secrets, where you crack the code to unlock a tiny world. There is a teeny Shoppy inside, and you have to find a tiny Shopkin. For the fall of 2018, Shopkins Happy Places is all about Rainbow Beach. There is a happy camper van where you can open it up for play inside. They have a new convertible with a beautiful rainbow on the side. It fits 4 little Shoppies. This is the Happy Beach House. It has 2 levels and a set of stairs. Everything has this beautiful rainbow theme. And look, there is an ombre pink couch. You can expect to see little Shoppies and little unicorns. I love how they match their unicorns. You are going to love this. In the Happy Places blind boxes from Rainbow Beach, they have new little pets. They are so adorable. Cutie cars. Season 2 Cutie Cars has new characters and new body types, like the pickup truck and the 3-wheeled wonders. With limited edition Treasure Drove, Rollin' Gemstones, and Limo Queen. Season 3 is coming out in August with new characters. There are going to be over 40 to collect and new body types. Check out this Play and Display cupcake van where you can display all of your cutie cars and your mini Shopkins. Here we have color change cuties. When you dip them into warm water, they change color. And they use memory paint technology so that it doesn't change back until you dip it into cold water. So cool! The Splash and Go Spa Wash has really fun water play. The water drips down so you can change their color in the playset. Who is ready for an unboxing? We have from Moose some mini packs. These are so cute. We just have to open them up to see what's inside. I'm gonna start with the bathroom essentials.
Man, that's the one I was looking at.
Oh, was it? So sorry.
I don't think there's another one either.
Well, while you spend time looking, I'm gonna go ahead and open this.
I'll open the can.
You can open the can?
Country Harvest.
This is so cute. It looks like a little tiny soap dispenser. Like you could push down the top. And how do I get the Shopkin out? Oh, the bottom comes off. And inside, hey, I have soap inside. That's like rare for them to actually be the same thing.
Yours actually matches.
Mine matches.
Oh, you got one of the bubble ones.
It's all cute and little. And then on the back, there is a little gold medallion that lets you know which season it is. These are so adorable. And I get to keep that as well. Then if you open up the very bottom of the box,
Get a taco.
you have a taco.
In Country Harvest, you'll get a taco.
Not
You might
always.
not.
Because
I did.
they said sometimes they'll be different. Should be different every time. Where's
That's
the collector's
cool.
catalog?
It's in the very bottom.
It's in the very bottom?
It's in this little.
Oh, okay. So there should be a collector's catalog in there. I am also going to take a look at... is it bread on here? The cereal box. Okay. Yes.
I think I'm gonna go with the Snap Fresh.
Breakfast toast.
I don't
Good
know what-
morning.
Oh, this is like the dried carrots and the dried peas and stuff.
You have dried carrots and
Or
dried
maybe it's
peas.
the cold stuff. I'm not sure.
You know what? I can't wait to build my own little mini mart or small mart. Isn't that what it's called? Small mart?
Yeah.
This is going to be so realistic because of all of the packaging, and I really need scissors.
It's really cool. Like, we walked into Moose and I was like, I guess what Shopkins is gonna have this year, and it's really, really cool.
I love the packaging because have you seen this on any other toy? I mean, the packaging is usually just a package, but here the packaging is part of the fun.
Oh my gosh.
What'd you get?
I got the green beans and the Snap Fresh.
Maybe they were super nice to us and got all this ready
Right.
so that we would be super happy that all of our stuff matches.
My taco didn't match though. I mean,
Well, tacos are vegetables. Okay, here we go with my cereal box. What's in
if you
here?
get a cereal box, I'm gonna die.
I got
You
a
got
cereal box. Ah!
We're gonna open one more.
Ooh, pie. I found.
You moved that one from that
I
side.
did. When you weren't looking, I moved it over.
Grab that one.
I love pie. Have fun looking for another one.
I'm gonna go for there's pancakes, I think.
You have pancakes?
Oh no, it's tarts.
That is cool. They kind of look similar, but mine says pie on it.
You moved it. You saw I was looking at it.
What? I don't know what you're talking about.
Front.
Okay, so here is my little pie pan with a pie, and it says
Ow.
tasty treats on there. Are you okay?
Don't cut yourself with
No,
scissors, kids.
no. And I'm gonna open it up, and inside I have a lemon. I guess I could have lemon pie. There we go. It's lemon.
Oh, that didn't match at all.
No. Then on the back of my lemon, it has a silver medallion. That's how you know it's from season 2.
So this is a sweet tart box, or tarts box. And I got a tart. You know, that is fate right there. I didn't get the pie because it didn't match, but I got the tart because it didn't match.
Aw, I got a lemon. I should have took that one from you.
That is karma at its finest.
Thank you for joining us while we took a look around what's new from Moose.
Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Make sure to follow us on Instagram at My Froggy Stuff and the Frog Blog.
And we will see you next time. Bye.